Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using the watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the display and brightness, and tap on it. Here, scroll down, and at the bottom you should see wake duration option. Select it, and here you can select one of the durations. We have wake for 15 seconds and wake for the 70 seconds. Select the option you like, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. Be aware though, if you select the 70 seconds option, the screen will stay on for a longer period of time, but it will also affect your battery life because it will stay lit up a little bit longer, which will use more battery. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.